Today I'll be doing a quick weight comparison on the stock K24a2 06 rod and piston combo versus the Wiseco boostline rod and 10.2 to 1 compression ratio Wiseco K24 piston. First, I'll weigh the original guy. And this guy's bent because the engine sucked in water and hydrolocked. Scale is zeroed. And what we've got there is a clean kilogram. Wiseco boostline rod and 10.2 to 1 compression piston. Another cool kilogram. So no weight advantage here, just a stronger, beefier rod and forged piston versus the original cast setup. Hope that this is beneficial to someone. You don't have to weigh them, but you'll probably be weighing them if you're down to this level anyways.